have those template categories here. So let's say that you want to create a welcome series, because this is something I wanted to talk with you about today. So you have a few templates, for example, welcome new customers, right? Or donors, welcome new contacts. If we click preview, you will see what the workflow looks like. And you could either use it or not. If you are not sure how it works, how does it work, you can just click here and it takes you to quite a nice description. So,
Click the link in bio and get today my 100% free step-by-step explained and beginner-friendly email marketing course. Once you click the link, you are going to see the page with reviews from my clients. Then click any of those green buttons and I'm going to show you how to set up your professional email account correctly, and then how to set up a fully automated email marketing system which can help you generate even passive income.